Happy day, children. I welcome you all for the online class. Today, we are going to learn a new lesson from your course book. Do you know what lesson it is? You will find out by yourself. Before we start the lesson, I'll show you some pictures. Children, what is it? Yeah, you are right. It's a racing car. Have you seen such kind of car anywhere? Yeah, you see this kind of car in TV or in a sports channel. I'll show you another model. This also a racing car. It's in another model. Children, all these racing cars are used in Formula 1, shortly known as F1. Here, this lesson is about a person who is very much interested in racing car. He is a well-known person in the field of Formula 1. Can you guess who is that? He is from our own country. He is also known as the fastest Indian in the world. Yes, you are right. He is Naren Karthikeyan. Let us learn about the fastest Indian in the world, who is none other than Naren Karthikeyan, and his interest in the field of Formula 1. He is Mr. Naren Karthikeyan. Let us start the lesson now. This lesson is titled The Fastest Indian in the World. What do you want to be when you grow up? Children, you have your own ambitions. Your ambitions may be becoming a doctor, or a scientist, or an engineer, or a pilot, and so on. So when you grow up, you will become what you like to be. Have you ever thought about becoming a sportsman? Many people make sports their professions. When you become a doctor, it's your profession. When you become a scientist, it's your profession. Same way, some people are interested in sports. They make their sports as their profession. Some go on to achieve great success. People who are interested in sports, they like to achieve success first. Soon, it will become their profession. They not only earn name, they will become very famous in their own field. And fame. They got a name and fame. They will become very famous in their field they chose. But also bring glory to our country. They will earn name, they will become very famous, and they will bring a great glory to their own country. Let us read about one such person who has made our country very proud. So here the person is Naren Karthikeyan. He is also known as the fastest Indian in the world. So he brought great glory to our nation. You must have often seen the news on television or read in the newspapers about a young Indian car racer. You must have often seen the news on television. Television spelling Television or read in the newspapers NEWSPAPERS about a young YOUNG Indian car racer who drives a racing car is said to be car racer. Who is car racer? A driver of a racing car. So he is a young Indian car racer. Who is that? He is Kumar Ram. His full name is Kumar Ram Naren Karthikeyan. Naren spelling Narain. Naren. He is Kumar Ram Naren Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan spelling KARTHIKEYAN. Naren Karthikeyan. What is his full name? Kumar Ram Naren Karthikeyan. The young man with a smiling face. Look at the picture. So, he always looks with a smiling face. So, he is a person with a smiling face. A very young man with a smiling face. Look at the spelling SMILING. Smiling. So he is Kumar Ram Naren Karthikeyan, the young man with the smiling face. His face is very charm. He had a smiling face. Who became? It's a past tense of became. It's a past tense of become. BECAME. Who became the first Indian to drive a Formula 1 car. Formula 1 car racing, it's very famous in the field of car racing. So he became the first Indian to drive a Formula 1 car. Who is the first Indian to drive a Formula 1 car? He is Kumar Ram Naren Karthikeyan. He is the new Indian idol. Idol is nothing but a person who is loved and respected a lot. Naren Karthikeyan is loved and respected a lot by a lots of people who love car racing. He is the new Indian idol. Idol is a person who is loved and respected by all. Here, Naren Karthikeyan is a new Indian idol. He is loved by all. He is respected by all. Idol spelling IDOL. Children, what is the meaning of the word idol? It means a person who is loved and respected by all. He is the new Indian idol. Indian, whenever you write Indian, I should be capital letter. It's a nationality. So you should start the word with a capital letter. He was born on, B-O-R-N, born on January 14. January spelling January, January 14. In the year 1977. 1977. He was born on January 14, 1977 in Chennai. Chennai. Again, Chennai is a name of a place. It must be started with the capital letter. He is often called. How is he called? The fastest Indian in the world. The fastest Indian in the world. So here you have seen he is the idol. He is the very famous Indian idol. Was born on January 14 in the year 1977. He is often called the fastest Indian in the world. Fastest Indian in the world. How is he known as? The fastest Indian in the world. Next, let us learn about his schooling. Karthikeyan did past tense of do. Karthikeyan did his schooling at Staines Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary. Where does he study? He studied in Staines Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School in Coimbatore. Where is the school? In Coimbatore. Where did he study? He studied at Staines Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School. Staines Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School. It's an Anglo-Indian school. Karthikeyan's interest. Interest, you spent much time on what you interested on. He spent most of his time in motorsport. Motorsport. Sports related with the motor cars, motorbikes. That is motorsport. Karthikeyan's interest in motorsport began at an early age. Karthikeyan's interest in motorsport began at an early age. When he was very young, he had a very great interest on motorsport. What is motorsport? It's a sport with respect to cars or bikes. Motor cars or motorbikes. As his father was a former Indian national rally champion. What is rally? Rally is also a motorsport. Mostly played in the public roads or private roads. So here, his father was also a farmer. When he was young, he was also a person who was interested in rally, that is motorsport. So his father was a former Indian national rally champion. He was also a champion in the field of motorsport. Rally, it's a kind of motorsport, mostly played in the private and public roads. He was a champion, rally champion. Rally spelling RALLY. Former Indian National Rally Champion. Champion spelling CHAMPION. Champion. Winning South India. Winning South India. Winning spelling WINNING. South India. SOUTH. India INDIA. South India. Rally 7 times. How many times? 7 times. Who won this championship? His father. Naren's father was also a champion, rally champion. Rally, it's a motor sport. He was also a champion for 7 times. How many times, children? 7 times. He is also related to the late Karivardhan. Late S. Karivardhan. Late Karivardhan, India's most famous racing driver until Karthikeyan came along. So Karthikeyan is also related to the late Karivardhan. He is also a sports person in the field of car racing. To the late S. Karivardhan, India's most famous racing driver until Karthikeyan came along. So his father was also a sports person. He was a rally champion. He won it for 7 times. And he is also related to the other sports person, the racing driver, Mr. Karivardhan. With the ambition of becoming India's first Formula 1 driver. He had an ambition. Ambition spelling AMBITION. Ambition. So what is his ambition? To become the first Formula 1 driver. To become a Formula 1 driver. And he is also the first Formula 1 driver. That is his ambition. His father was also a motorsport racer. And he is also related to the person Karivardhan is another motorsport racer. Now, he had an ambition. The ambition is nothing but to become the first Formula 1 driver. Karthikeyan finished on podium in his first ever race. Karthikeyan finished on podium in his first ever race at Sri Perumbudur in a Formula Maruti. Where did he finish his first car racing? At Sri Perumbudur. He finished podium in his first car ever race at Sri Perumbudur in a Formula Maruti. And is Maruti. It's shortly known as FISSME. Abbreviation FISSME. Formula Maruti. What is the meaning of the word podium? Podium, it's a raised platform. It's a raised platform. You might have seen the winning podium. First, second, third. So here, when he finished on the podium in his first race at Sri Perumbudur, in a Formula Maruti. That is the brand name again. He then, that is his first car race. He then went on to the Elf Winfield Racing School in France. So he had completed his first car race at Sri Perumbudur. Then he went to France. Then he joined to the school. He went on to the school. Which school? Elf Winfield Racing School. Where is it? It is in France. Elf Winfield. It's the name of the school, especially for car racing. Elf Winfield Racing School in France. He went there, showing his talent by becoming a semi-finalist in the Pilot Elf competition for Formula Renault cars in the year 1992. Children, first he had finished his first car race at Sri Perumbudur. Then he went to France, and he also went to the school Elf Winfield Racing School in France, and he is showing his talent. How talented in car racing. He is showing his talent. Talent spelling Talent. Showing his talent by becoming. He became the semi-finalist in the car race. He became the semi-finalist. In which kind of competition is that? It is Pilot. What kind of competition? Pilot Elf. Pilot. P-I-L-O-T-E. It is not pilot. Pilot. Elf. Competition spelling. C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. For Formula Renault cars. It is another brand. Renault. Formula Renault cars in the year 1992. He returned to India to race in Formula Maruti for the 1993 season. So 1992 he had played in the Pilot Elf competition and he became the semi-finalist. Then he went to India again and he played and he raced in Formula Maruti for the 1993 season. And in the same year, that means 1993, he also competed. To play in the competition, we called compete. C-O-M-P-E-T-E-D. Competed in the Formula Vauxhall. It's another brand. V-A-U-X-H-A-L-L. Vauxhall Junior Championship in Great Britain. Championship spelling C-H-A-M-P-I-O-N-S-H-I-P. Where was it held? In Great Britain. G-R-E-A-T. Great Britain. Britain. Children, recall it. First, he had a car racing in our state. The name of the place is Sri Perumbudur. Then he went to France and he went to the school. What is the name of the school? Yes, Alf Winfield Racing School. They conducted a car racing. The name of the competition is Pilot Elf Competition. He became the semi-finalist in the year 1992. Then he came back to India in the year 1993 and he had a race in Formula Maruti for the 1993 season. Then again he went to Great Britain. There he competed Formula Vauxhall. 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 Junior Championship in Britain. This gave him valuable experience in European racing. So playing such competition, competing in such competition gave him very valuable, a lot of experience. Valuable spelling VALUABLE, valuable experience, EXPERIENCE. What is experience? He had learned a lot, how to play, how to win. He learned many tricks. He learned many things to win in the sports. So he had, whatever the mistakes he had committed, he avoided it later. So that becomes his experience and he had a lot. That becomes a very great experience in the European racing. Whenever he played, that was a good experience. In the year 2005, on February 1, 2005, Karthikeyan announced that he had signed a deal with Jordan Formula 1 team. So what did he announce? He said to all. He announced all. Look at the spelling. ANNOUNCED. Announced. On February 1, 2005, Karthikeyan announced that he had signed a deal with Jordan. It's a name of a country, an Arab nation found in the Western Asia. So he had signed a great deal with Jordan Formula 1 team. Again, Formula 1 race. And said that he would be their main driver. He would be their main driver for the year 2005 Formula 1 season. So what did he announce? He announced that he had signed with the Formula 1 team. And he is the main driver of the racing car. For the season, which season? 2005 Formula 1 season. He thus became India's first Formula 1 racer. From that, he has become India's first Formula 1 racer. His partner was the Portuguese driver. What is his name? He is from the, his partner was from Portuguese. Tiago Monteiro. What is his name? Tiago Monteiro. So what did he announce? He announced that he had signed with the Jordan Formula 1 for the season 2005 Formula 1 season. He is the main driver. His partner was a car driver from Portuguese. His name is Tiago Monteiro. Well, you must be wondering what Formula 1 race is. So we are talking about Formula 1 race. Formula 1 race is shortly known as F1 race. Well, you must be wondering, WONDERING. You might have a surprise. What is Formula 1 race? Formula 1 is known as F1. Formula 1 is known as F1. F capital. And is also known as Grand Prix. What is Grand Prix? First let us read the spelling. G-R-A-N-D, Grand. P-R-I-X, Grand Prix. Grand Prix is a race, any of the race in the season. Any of the car race in the season. Its plural is Grands, G-R-A-N-D-S. You have to add S only with the word Grand. Grand Prix. So it is also known as Grand Prix. Is the highest class of single seat. There will be Formula 1. You find only one seat, that is single seat in the car. Okay, children, is the highest class of single seat open wheel. The wheel is open. I'll show you the picture. The wheel is open. Car racing. So what is a Formula 1 race? Formula 1 race is also known as F1. It is also known as Grand Prix. What is Grand Prix? Is any of the race in the season. Its plural is Grands Prix. Okay, you have to add S to the word Grand. Grands. Is the highest class of single seat. Single seat with open wheels. The car you find, the wheel is open wheel. Car racing. It is a car racing. It is the most expensive sport. What is expensive? E-X-P-E-N-S-I-V-E. What is expensive? Very costly. Very costly sport comparing to other sports. It is the most expensive sport in the world. W-O-R-L-D. World. It comprises international car races, especially on constructed tracks. The tracks must be constructed, properly laid tracks. Children, let us continue this lesson in the next class. I'll show you the picture of the Formula 1 car. Look at the picture once again. See, the wheel is open wheel. It's a single seated. I'll tell you about the Formula 1 car. It's a car, Formula 1 car. The Formula 1 cars are among the most highly engineered and advanced cars. The Formula 1 cars are among the most highly engineered and advanced cars in the world. It's highly engineered, very advanced, not like the cars what we traveled on. They can achieve a speed up to 240 miles per hour. 240 miles. How much speed? Look at it. See here, 240 miles per hour. So such a speed it has. So here it's a very highly advanced car in the world. The speed is 240 miles per hour. The chassis, the spelling is CHASSIS. It is not chassis, chassis. Repeat, chassis. The chassis of Formula 1 car consists of a safety cell. What is chassis? CHASSIS. Chassis means the frame of the car. The frame of the car consists of a safety cell. It's a very safety one. Though its speed is 240 miles per hour, it has a safety cell. What is that? It includes a cockpit. What is a cockpit? Cockpit, it's a seat of the driver. See here, look at the car once again. The place where the driver, race driver sits is a cockpit. Spelling is COCKPIT, cockpit. Then this cell again includes a structure in front of the cockpit to reduce the impact. It will reduce the impact. It will give some balance, a lot of balance to reduce the impact. And it has a fuel tank. You know, you will add petrol or something into the car to move on. Same way, there is a fuel tank. Fuel spelling FUEL. A fuel tank. And directly behind the cockpit. Where is the fuel tank? It is behind the cockpit. Cockpit, it's a place of a driver. The car then and the cockpit are built as though as tough and indestructible as possible. It's a very tough one. See, a car which is used for chasing, car racing, not chasing, car racing, to be built very efficiently. So the car cells consist of a cockpit, and to balance a structure in front of the cockpit to reduce the impact, and also a fuel tank behind the cockpit. So the car and the cockpit are built as tough and indestructible as possible. So this is the way the car is built. Let us continue this class in the next video. Children, let us find out the driver's outfit here. The driver's helmet is designed to withstand great impact. So he has own a helmet. It is designed to withstand with the great impact. It will hold it very tightly. The driver's suit, he wears a driver's suit and gloves are made of fireproof material. It will not catch fire. See here, sometimes when the car catches fire, it won't catch the dress. So the driver's suit, the dress he wore, and also the gloves will not catch fire. So it is a fireproof material. The material protects the driver even if it trapped inside the car for quite some time. So it protects the driver. It saves the driver even if trapped inside the car for quite some time. So it is a fireproof dress and gloves he wears, so that will protect him from any harm. Here are the new words, children. Formula 1. It's a type of international auto racing. International spelling INTERNATIONAL. International auto racing. AUTO. Auto racing. Racing. Abbreviated. ABBREVIATED. Abbreviated means made short. MADE, made SHORT. Here formula 1 is abbreviated as F1. Have you got the meaning, children? Expensive. It's a here in the lesson the word expensive is used for the word car. It's a very expensive sport. Everything is very costly. EXPENSIVE. Expensive. It means very costly. 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 Grand Prix. I told you already what is a Grand Prix. GRAND. Grand. PRIX. Prix. Grand Prix means any of the several international car races. I told you already. Any of the several international car races. Farmer. FORMER. Farmer is having been in the past. This word is used to refer to his father. He was a former rally champion. Former rally. So he was the rally champion for 7 times. Former means having been in the past. Happened once. That means having been in the past. Tremendous. 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 Tremendous, very large in amount or degree. Endurance. Power of tolerating stress or hardship. Intend to have plans in the mind to do something. Chassis. It is not chassis. Chassis. Supporting frame of a car. Frame of a car, it's said to be chassis. Cockpit. COCKBIT. PIT. The driver's compartment in racing car. Drivers. DRIVER''. Compartment. COMPARTMENT. The driver's compartment in racing car. Children. The word tremendous, endurance, intend to. These words you will learn in the rest of the lesson. So this is the time. We'll stop the lesson. We'll continue this lesson in the next class. And now we'll discuss the worksheet 7. Worksheet 7, you have the worksheet about the poem. You have to write the memory poem first. My favorite things. I hope you all have learnt the whole poem. And children, you please write it in a notebook separately. Answer the questions. Write at least 2 pairs of rhyming words employed in the second stanza. First stanza is different. Second stanza is different. You will get the answer. Here the answer is sun, fun. Afternoons, tunes. Cold gold. This is the answer for the first question. Then list out 3 things that the poet likes to do. That is the second question. The answer. He has a lot of things as his favorite. Lazing on the grass. That is one of his favorite items. Picking mangoes from others' garden. Asking pardon by holding his ears. Asking pardon by holding his ears. You can write any 3, children. Next, state true or false. The poet scared others with tadpoles. I told you already, scared to make others feel frightened. Is it right or wrong? True or false? Yes, it's true. The answer is true. Make a sentence using the word given. To curl. To curl, what I said? It's to lie on the bed, bringing your arms and legs towards your chest. So you can write a sentence with the word to curl. To curl, I have given an example sentence. See here, you can write the sentence to curl. To curl, it means to lie on the bed. The boy curled on his bed and slept. You can write the answer. The boy curled on the bed and slept. Add preposition suitably. Add preposition suitably. The exam starts 2 p.m. When you like to use the exact time, you have to use the preposition at. The exam starts at 2 p.m. The exam starts at 2 p.m. Second one, at is the answer. Second one, he will return. He will return. Date before we always use on. He will return on Monday. He will return on Monday. The next one. The passengers were walking dash the train. The passengers were walking towards the train. Towards, moving. There are many books in the library. In the library. I will meet you after an hour. After an hour. This is your answer. This is your worksheet 8. This worksheet is about subject-verb agreement. Fill in the blanks with the right form of the verbs given in the brackets. Ram and Raghav. 2 different names are connected with the and. So what is the right answer? Are good friends. Are good friends. Each of the trees in the garden. Which is the clue word in the sentence? Each. Each, it always considered as singular. So the verb also singular. Each of the trees in the garden is very big. What is the answer? Is very big. The singer and guitarist. What is the clue word in the sentence? The is the clue word. It is a common article for 2 subjects. The singer and guitarist are the same person. Because of the usage of the article the, it refers to the single person. So it is singular. What is the answer? The singer and guitarist has arrived for the function. Fourth one. A herd of elephants. Children, herd is a collective noun. Herd is always, whenever we use collective noun, is always singular. It always takes singular. A herd of elephants is entering the village. There are many elephants. It's a collective noun, but it is considered as singular. A collective noun, it always takes a singular verb. A herd of elephants is entering the village. A dog with puppies. Whenever we use the word with, the first subject agrees the verb. What is the first subject? A dog. So, it should be lies, not lie. Lies, when you add yes, it becomes singular. A dog with the puppies, with its puppies, lies under the cot. Don't think that it is plural. A dog is the real subject which agrees the verb. Next, there are errors in the given sentences. You find out what is the error. Neither Rita nor her friend. Neither Rita. Rita is one subject. Her friend is another subject. Don't think that both are together. It's plural. Neither Rita. It is another subject. Her friend is another subject. Whenever we use neither nor, the second subject after nor, what comes after nor, agrees the verb. So her friend is singular. That's why we have to use was selected. Neither Rita nor her friend was selected for the quiz. Was selected for the quiz. Next, bread and butter. So look at the answer. Neither Rita nor her friend was selected for the quiz. Bread and butter are my favorite item. Though they are different items, these two always go together and considered singular. Bread and butter. So are will be changed into is. Bread and butter is my favorite item. Look at the answer here. Bread and butter is my favorite item. Eighth one. Neither of my friends. Neither nor is different from neither. Neither of my friends. Neither of my friends. Children. What is the answer? Are present or is present. Neither. Whenever you find a word neither, it's always singular. So, or will be replaced with the is. Neither of my friends is present today. Neither of my friend is present today. Then, ninth one. Every book in that stall is costly. Every book in that stall is costly. Every is always singular. So, or will be replaced with the is. Look at the answer. Every book in that stall is costly. The last one. The farmer and the shepherd. See here, there are two articles. The is different. The farmer, the shepherd. They are not same person. As there are two articles, they are different persons. So, two different persons with the two article. It's always plural. So, was will become, as it is past tense, was will become were. Look at the answer. The farmer and the shepherd were neighbors. Were neighbors. Clear, children? We have discussed worksheet number 7 and 8 in this class. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.